Hi! In front of me is TCL 405 and today I would like to show you how you can add video or audio files to text message. Firstly, open the Messages app and select one of your chats. Then tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and select this little gallery icon on the left. Then tap on Folders and click on Videos at the top. This way you'll be able to add already existing video. Just hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, my video was successfully added. If you wish to create it and add it right away, click on this camera icon over here, record it, and then to add it, select this check mark at the top right corner. Unfortunately, you can't add already existing audio file, but you can create it by holding this microphone next to emoji icon at the bottom right corner. Hold to record, slide to cancel, and to add your recording, just let go after recording. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!